Hi, welcome to Cooking with Matab. Zereshk Polo is a true symbol of Iranian flavor and tradition. Aromatic rice with glistening fried barberries and chicken gently simmered in a rich sauce for incredible tenderness and flavor. So come along as we make this delicious meal together. Let's start by seasoning the chicken pieces. I'm using 2 whole chicken thighs. I sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon each of black pepper, paprika, and turmeric, plus 2 tablespoons of brewed saffron and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice over the chicken. Massage everything in so the chicken is coated all over with the spices and saffron. Cover the bowl and let it rest in the fridge for at least 2 hours so the flavors really soak in. The longer it sits, the better it gets. After the marinating time has passed, pour some oil into a suitable pan and fry the chicken pieces on both sides until they turn golden brown. Make sure not to burn it. Once it matches what you see in the video, remove it from the pan. In the same pan, finely chop or grate a large onion and add it in. Sauté until they're fully fried and golden. When the onions are done, add 3 minced or grated garlic cloves and sauté for a minute until fragrant. For extra color in the sauce, add a pinch of turmeric and black pepper and stir for a minute. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it until the raw flavor is gone and the color deepens. Once the tomato paste is cooked, add about 2 French cups of boiling water. We want the sauce nice and thick, so don't use too much water. If you like, you can add 6 or 7 wild plums for extra flavor. This part is totally optional. Now put the fried chicken pieces back into the pan. Add a pinch of salt to the sauce and you're done. Don't overdo the salt or it'll get too salty. Cover the pan. Set the heat to very low. Place the pot over a burner that matches its size and let it cook for 1 to 1.5 hours on very low heat. When it's done, you'll have a rich, thick sauce and tender, flavorful chicken you're sure to love. Just take a look at its vibrant color and tempting appearance. Cook your rice as you normally would, based on how many people you're serving. For the barberries, melt some butter or ghee in a pan. Once melted, add 3 tablespoons of barberries and sauté for just 1 minute. Don't go any longer. After a minute, add a tablespoon of sugar to balance out the tartness. Next, add a bit of brewed saffron. I've thoroughly explained the technique for brewing saffron in the cookbook. After another minute, turn off the heat. So altogether, it cooks for 2 minutes. Now serve up your saffron rice with juicy chicken and barberries and enjoy every bite of this fantastic dish. Enjoy! Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of the video. You can download the cookbook for this dish for free from the link in my bio. Thank you very much for your support through subscribing and liking.